Hello, this is Greg Abbott, Solution Architect with TechPower Solutions, and I've got with me today Jeff King, a sales engineer with Komprise. How you doing, Jeff?
I'm doing well. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, glad to have you. Jeff, uh, with Komprise, they seem to take a threefold approach: to know first, to move smart, and then take control. Can you briefly explain how these make Komprise unique and how they build on one another?
For sure. Yeah, those are the three main steps we take when we get into a customer environment. And it's all about granting the customer insight into their data. So the first part is know first. Again, we bring in some technology to analyze file systems, look at the metadata of those files, and then we aggregate that across vendors and across clouds. So we can take a full view of that, aggregate that up, display it, and then from there, the second part of the move and manage smart is all about acting with intelligence based on those analytics, multiple ways to handle and manage your data. We can do our most important feature probably is transparent move technology, where we can pick up data and archive it to a lower cost tier, whether it's cloud or on-prem object, or maybe even a less expensive NAS target. And we'll do that transparently, so there's no impact to users, there's no impact to any kind of application reading those file systems as well. We can do copies, and we can leverage in certain clouds. We can even, with this copy, we can leverage object locking and maybe help with a ransomware strategy a little bit. And then we also have a migration and replication engines for any NAS platform. So it's very powerful, and it's vendor independent and cloud independent.
Sounds fantastic. And really hitting the nail on the head for a customer that we're currently working on. So can you answer the question, do other vendors have these kind of analytics tools, or what's unique about Komprise?
The uniqueness is that we have a complete solution. A lot of vendors have some really good analytics, but usually it's just limited to like a specific storage platform or a specific cloud. And we'll give you that broad analytics across everything. We're, again, any vendor, any cloud. And the other part of that is analytics without the ability to take action on it are basically worthless, right? So we want to make sure we allow you and provide the vehicles to manage that data smartly based on those analytics. So we have multiple engines to do so.
Okay, and from what I've seen, you can apply some cost values to the different places where data would live.
We do, yeah, and that's a really great part of Komprise is once you set up policies, before you actually activate that policy and start moving or managing the data, we'll actually reflect to you what your actual cost will be for that specific data management plan, and you're able to optimize it, and you'll see the changes in real time as you update that plan.
Yeah, that looks to be a really powerful feature. So I was going to suggest which industries might have the greatest need for Komprise, but it really is going to span a lot of industries, isn't it?
It is. We see all kinds of verticals: healthcare, geoseismic, government, state, local government. We're great with that because we can save them tons of money. But any kind of industry that is generating file data, we can have a huge impact, a really positive impact on their infrastructure, their backup, their data management strategies, and cloud strategies.
Fantastic, fantastic. Well, hey, thanks, Jeff, so much for this introduction. Folks, if you have a large amount of data and you need a better way to manage it and move it to a more cost-effective platform, or just get your arms around what portion of your data needs to be aged out and what to do with it, we would love to set up a meeting with Jeff and myself and see how we can help you. So please give us a call at TechPower or reach out to us on our website, and we look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks so much, Jeff. I really appreciate your insight into this.
Thank you.
All right. See you soon, folks. Bye.